Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 2602 5th Ave North. And we are going through the clean out of the basement here. There was an issue jetting from the 509 side while we were trying to get this clean. So I came in here to investigate and found that there's a large hole in the pipe where 2602 connects to this line. So that's what we're looking at now. I got a little sink water running, but right there is the flat spot in the line, as that's joining the 509 sewer line. There's a massive hole in the bottom of the pipe. So we're going to come back from there. There's the clay. It's transitioning into concrete right where it becomes a shared section of the line. So it goes from clay to concrete where it joins the 509 sewer. And I can't push the camera past that. It just goes straight into dirt. And come back out there, you see there's kind of a pool. Coming back through the clay and into cast iron there. So we're back inside underneath the foundation of the house now, running underneath the basement floor here. And up and out of the clean out. There's the recorder we made, or clean out we made this recording from.